Hello, boys and girls, and grown-ups too. It's me, Miss Save, and we're ready to do the next letter in our alphabet series. We are getting so close to being done. I'm so proud of you. Today we're going to do the letter X, okay? So I'll go first with the capital letter. You already know the drill. Fingers up. It's line and line, okay? Now you go. Line, line. Good job. All right, now let's do a lowercase x. It's the exact same thing, but just a little bit smaller, okay? All right, I'll go first. It's line and then line. Okay, you go. Fingers up. Line, line. Good job. All right, stay tuned for the next letter in our alphabet series. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.